I've been sitting here and I've been thinking. In actual fact, I'm sitting on my boy's or at my boy's desk. He's not here at the moment. But what is it that are actually holding the majority of South Africans back? And what I see, one of the most common trends out there is the fact that it is in dollars. Because to get started with this program, you got to invest in you. You're not investing in me, my friend. You're not investing in the course itself. In actual fact, you are investing in yourself. Never forget that. You got to work harder at yourself and on yourself than what you do at your day job. So whatever you're doing, see it as an investment in you, as an investment in your life to better your future, better your finances, better your circumstances. Okay, so never ever see it as an investment into a program or into me. I'm just the middle point, my friend. I'm just here to get a message across because I know this works. Hi there, my name is Errol, just an ordinary dad. I'm nobody special. And what I do right now is I assist moms and dads to take control and not miss life again. That's what it is all about. And with that said, I share online business products proven to change lives and assist you in making more money. Now, if that's of interest to you, give this video a like, number one, and number two, put ready in the comments and I'll tell you what to do next. Now, what I'm getting at is that, yes, it's in dollars. And I think that's the biggest thing that South Africans struggle with is we have to invest in dollars. But here's the flip side to the coin. Don't think that you are investing in dollars, that it's this, oh, I've got to multiply it by 17 or 18 or 15 Rand or whatever the dollar Rand exchange might be. No, my friend, keep in mind you get to keep 100% of the profits. So when you invest 100, 300, 600 or $900, you make your very first sale. Guess what happens? You get to keep 100% of the profits and you get to earn in dollars. So where you've invested in dollars, you actually now earn in dollars. Okay, so hopefully that answers the majority, or basically that's, I wouldn't say set a new trend, but it answers a lot of questions and it sparks a light bulb in your head. Actually, a light goes on and you're like, oh, wow, I don't just have to take out dollars, but I get to earn and keep the dollars. So anyway, I appreciate you. I thank you. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to this channel and do put the word ready in the comments.